Hello guys, this is Legit Hustle TV. Here on Legit Hustle TV, we teach you how to make money online. We teach you how to create paper account. If you know you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video on how to make money online, you will be the first to be notified and implement all the steps that are being required here. So thank you. I hope you really enjoy this video. Keep on watching.
Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to this today's training. So, on today's training, I'll be showing you guys the app that we are going to use to create a PayPal account, and also I will be introducing you guys to the VPN, which is very mandatory that you have to use that same VPN to create your PayPal account. So, this is Legit Hustle TV. If you know you are still new, you've not subscribed to my channel, so make sure you click the link below the description of this video and make sure you comment, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop an update on how to make money online, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, there are some apps that you need to download. Some are pay app, while some are free app. So what we are going to use, we're going to make use of a browser called DocDoc. This is the browser. Going to make use of a browser called DocDoc. I know you guys know DocDoc. This is DocDoc here. This is the browser we are going to need. We are going to download this from Play Store or App Store, whatever device you're using. If you're using an Android device, you'll need a Play Store to download this DocDoc. Then if you're using an Android device, uh, Apple device, then you'll need to download it from your App Store. So that is number one app we are going to need. And number two app we are going to use here is a VPN. This is the VPN. This is it, Mysterium. This is a Mysterium VPN. This is the VPN we are going to use. And let me tell you guys so you understand something right here. You see this VPN here? This VPN is not a free VPN. This VPN is very strong. This is one of the best VPN you can use. This VPN to create a verified paper account. You can use this VPN to perform some online survey tasks and you'll never get banned. So this is the number two software we're going to need. Then the number three is we're gonna need a UK number. Gonna need a UK number. UK number. I'm not talking about visual number. Sure, you can actually use visual number, but there is a problem. When you are using a visual number, just know that you're gonna spend a lot of money because when you're using a visual number, you are going to be renewing your number every month. And if you could not meet up renewing your number, then that is it for you. The number is gone. The number is gone. Otilo, the number will be gone. So what I'm going to advise you guys is you can get a physical UK SIM that once you install it to your phone, it's going to come up and show a network and whatever. You can use it to make calls, you can use it to receive SMS. They're going to give you a UK number. So that is the number we are going to use to create a paper account. Okay, that is the number we're going to use to create a paper account. Then the second thing we're going to need is a residential address. A residential address, UK residential address. Okay, let me just show you guys some quick stuff so you understand what I'm saying. Where is my notepad? Okay, this is my note. Let me show you guys so you will understand what I am saying. So these are the details we are going to need. These are the details we are going to need. This is number one. You need to get a name. You can get a foreign pet name. Then number two, you need an email address. Take notes. Take note. Before you want to create a paper account, make sure the email address have to carry the same name with your name. Okay, the same name with your name. Then number three here, this is the UK number. You're going to need a UK number. I'm going to show you how to get a UK number, but this number will be delivered to you. The SIM will be delivered to you. It's a physical SIM that you have to insert it in your phone. So if you need this number, chat me up. I'm going to tell you how to get this UK number. And one thing about this UK number, you're not going to renew, not like other companies like Vibe, Numero, that you have to be renewing, and that is huge. You have to be paying at least $60 every month to be keeping your number intact to renew your line, so you'll be able to use it. That is huge. But for this very company, they're going to give you a SIM that you insert to your phone. You're not going to renew it every day or every month, just like other visual companies are doing. You just have to, after 4 to 5 months of using it without renewal, you just have to buy an airtime and load it on the phone, your SIM, so that it will keep the SIM active. Okay, just like your normal MTN SIM. a normal MTN SIM, you will have to recharge to keep it active. So this is it. Number 3, you need a UK residential address. You need a UK residential address. I'm going to show you how to get a UK residential address, and you can use it for your paper and use it to create your survey accounts online. So this is the address. This is the website we're gonna use. This is ukaddressgenerator.com. Okay, ukaddressgenerator.com. This is where we're gonna generate our UK address. Okay, we're gonna generate our UK address with this. We're going to generate our UK address with this. So that is what you need right now for you to be able to open a verified paper account. So what we're going to do is we are going to move to our browser. We're going to move to our browser and check for a verified address that we can actually use. That is what we are going to do. Check for a verified address. So I'll have to check here UK address generator, and once we click that, this is it. We have so many of them here, but you can choose any. And also this Dougal is very good. I've been using Dougal too. Dougal is very good. So you can see you can actually generate UK addresses here. Once you click create random address, they are going to create random address for you. You can see these are all UK address. So what you have to do is just copy one of these address here, go to your notepad and paste it there. Once you copy them, you go to your notepad and paste it there. Okay, then for you to be able to create your paper account, you will have to check the strength of your network. So how do you do that? To check the strength of your network, that is when you're going to make use of a website called Proxy, where you check your Proxy. This is it. IP Proxy. Where you check your IP Proxy. Have you seen? You're gonna check your IP Proxy here and see if your IP is good to go. If your IP is good to go. So that is what we are going to do. But right now, what I have to do, let me go and on my VPN. And I'm also going to show you how to configure your VPN so that it will not be changing your IP address whenever you want to perform a survey task. So this is my VPN Mysterium. This is the VPN I use. So once I just connect, I'll click on UK. It's already connected. Have you seen? It's already connected. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll go to war.com.net and let's see what location is going to show us here. Have you seen? It's telling us that we are using an Android phone, a Chrome, and this is our DNS, that's United Kingdom. Proxy, it doesn't indicate as a proxy, it's showing no proxy. Okay, and this is this gas percent. It means you are 100% secure that you can actually create your paper account. Okay, you can actually create your paper account, and most of you know that for you to be able to perform some online surveys, there are some things you need to do, but we are going to talk about the online survey yet. We are going to talk about that not now, because we are actually focusing on paper, like how to set up your VPN, how to get the documents and everything to start creating your paper account. And secondly, you are going to need a UK residential you're going to need a UK ID card. You're going to need a UK ID card. So that is where I'm going to do that for you. Show you how to, in case you're good in Photoshop, then you can do that by yourself. But if you're not good in Photoshop, I have a friend that has been doing it for me and he's going to do it for you at a cheaper rate. So that is it. He's going to do it for you at a cheaper rate. Then let's go back and open our paper. Let's say we want to create a paper account now. We're going to log in here, paper.com. Okay, this is paper where you can actually sign up here. You can actually sign up here to paper. Okay, so that is what we'll be doing today. And I hope if you have any question, just drop your question at the comment box and I'm going to reply you. So I just made this video to show you guys how you can set up your to get the information needed. Number one, which is the DuckDuck browser. Number two, you're going to get a pet name. Number three, you're going to get an ID card, like residential ID card. Let me show you a sample of an ID card that I just did. Sorry for that. Let me show you guys a sample of an ID card. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. Something like this. Something like this. So in case you need something like this, I have someone that is going to do it for you. This is front and this is back. This is the back. Okay. You can see the name I'm using here, Jerome Frederick. I'm not using my real name. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. So that is the things that we need now. So I just have to cut this video and make it short. I don't want to take time to make it long so that we can proceed to the next step. Thank you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe because just as I said, the training is going to happen here on YouTube. So subscribe so that you will not miss any updates.